All right, you guys, I am so excited to show you my winter sowing success. And I call it success even though I have a few seeds that did not germinate, because like 80% of them, maybe even 90%, were successful. So I am so excited. I'm gonna bring a little bit closer so you can kind of see how everything is from day one. The way that I put the containers in here, that's how they have been here. I have probably watered twice. And if you're wondering about this whole setup and everything, I do have a video that I made early in March, the first week in March, when I put these guys outside, on how I did everything. So I'm gonna put that link in the description and also right here in the corner so you can check it out. Let me bring you in close. So as you can see, some things are definitely bigger than others. Some things did really well as far as germination goes, and others did poorly. In a couple of them, I only have 2 or even just 1 seed that germinated, and that's totally fine. The main reason why I did this method of winter sowing, it was just to check to see if I was able to germinate some seeds, and I am happy to say that they did amazing. If you were here last year, I tried winter sowing for the first time in those clear 1-gallon jugs, and it was a total fail for me. So this year I tried this method that my friend Maureen on Instagram shared on her highlights, and she is doing amazing with hers, and obviously she is onto something here. So let me show you first the ones that didn't quite make it. I have some scabiosa, nothing on it. There is only one seed that germinated for scabiosa. I have this guy, Fata Morgana scabiosa. There is absolutely nothing in there. Black Knight, nothing, and I don't think these guys are gonna make it. See that? Nothing on that one either. There is only one Black Knight that made it, and it's just gorgeous. And I do have one inside of the same variety that I started indoors under my LED lights, and so I have a total of 2. So I'm excited for those 2. I have, let me show you. I have 2 containers for Bells of Ireland. I have one here growing, and it's doing amazing. You can see there the growth. It's gorgeous. And there is a tiny one right here. It's just basically germinating, and it's okay. It's doing fine. So I'm gonna leave this one alone, and I'm gonna leave this one alone as well. I do have to mention I haven't fertilized these guys. I didn't know that you could do that, I guess, until somebody else mentioned they were fertilizing their winter sowing plants, and I was like, oh, well, maybe I will too. Okay, so let me show you my milkweed, butterfly weed, milkweed, and I have 2 plants right there, and that's awesome. I am so excited about that. And I only have 1 container of these guys, and obviously it's doing amazing there. And I have some Amidara, which looks a lot like cilantro in my opinion. Look at that. This container right here has 3 plants that germinated, and this right here has like 6 of them. So I might try to divide these in like a couple of bunches just to see if maybe I can separate in different places. But look at that. It's amazing to me, just amazing. And I have some foxglove as well. I had the seeds already from a couple of years ago, so I figured, well, might as well. I really don't need any foxgloves this year. I do have some growing inside. I do have to say though, the ones that are growing inside are way tinier than these guys. These guys are doing amazing. They're just huge. And I have 2 big ones right here, and I have 2 tiny ones here. And these are the ones that I am the most excited. These right here are Verbena bonariensis, and look at all the germination that it's happening there. I am so excited. I am so excited for these plants, and I definitely need to divide these guys. Hopefully they don't get damaged by me dividing them, but my gosh, they're amazing. And again, I started these guys here the first week in March. I checked and I posted that video the 2nd of March, so that's when they all came out here, and I probably watered them twice. Definitely once, but at least twice. And these right here are puppies. I know it sounds like I'm saying baby dogs, but these are puppies. And these guys, I think these are the same variety. Yes, Fallen in Love. Look at that. Look at that. And these guys are huge. The level of the soil is about here. And look at that much growth. So I know that you're not supposed to divide. I know that you're not supposed to mess with the roots of puppies, but I'm going to do my best to do them gently, because I have at least, gosh, I have at least 10 plants in here and 10 more over here. So look at that. And you can see, I don't know if you can tell, like the roots. I'm just gonna see if I can take one. This is so scary to me. I haven't done these, so I'm gonna see. Oh, look at that. Look at the root system. The roots are so fine in there. Okay, that's it. That's how much I'm going to do for that. And I have another type of puppies here. These are Black Swan. I only have 3 plants of these guys here. These are Black Swan, and I know that these are like a double fluffy type of puppy, and I am just going to leave these guys here by themselves. I definitely see some roots here at the bottom, but they're doing amazing. And that's it, you guys. Honestly, I gotta say that this new method of winter sowing using this clear tub and whatever containers, these containers I did not buy. I already had them from, you know, like throughout the year that I bought annuals or something else on them. Save whatever you have, but even if you don't have containers like this, you can use solo cups, or I see people that do some sort of bags, like little bags, Zippo bags. I don't know, whatever works, whatever you can make it happen. I'm excited. I'm excited for these plants. I do have at least 1 or 2 more weeks maybe before I can take absolutely everything outside. So I just wanted to take a minute to show you my results with winter sowing, and hopefully you get inspired to do this next year on your own. Thank you for being here, and until the next time. Okay, I need to do a thumbnail. I suck at doing these thumbnails. Maybe I should be like, or I don't know, one of those will take.